Thank you, the organizers, giving me a chance to talk here. Let me start. So I'm going to talk about tsunami, genetics, and medical care. So 5 years ago, we encountered a quite big earthquake and tsunami. And my university is located around here, the Tohoku University, responsible for the northeast part of Japan. And the epicenter is quite close to our university. And the earthquake, afterward, we learned, killed and washed away almost more than 18,000 people in this area. And we got quite a lot of help from all over the world, including USA. US armies and navies clean up our airport, helped us a lot. So we thank for the help. Okay, so after we learned, 6 key community hospitals are washed away, and quite a lot of disaster for the community medicine. And we lost. We couldn't find the way we can recover for a while. This one is the Tsunami Red Cross Hospital, one day after the earthquake. And this is our hospital. Including the medical staff, 74 people passed away in this hospital. So we've been worked for the recovery. And for a while, we've discussed what we can do. And finally, we decided to work on the creative regeneration. Sorry for the messy presentation. So creative regeneration, we decided to create an attractive and thriving center of innovation. And using this activity, we're going to work on the creative regeneration. This is 2 weeks after the tsunami, and we felt we've survived. So we've discussed the creative regeneration in this meeting. Now, to realize the creative regeneration, we proposed one project called the Tohoku Medical Megabank project. The issues we have to think about at this moment is, the first one is support the people who suffered from tsunami and long-term follow-up. The second thing is the paper chart are all washed away. We couldn't get any chart recovered. So we really need to build a strong medical communication and recording system, EHR system. The third one is, I think the situation is probably the same. The coastal area, northeast Japan, from the beginning, we are lack of the doctors and medical staffs. So we really need to think about some way to attract the doctors to this area. So for that purpose, we've planned the large-scale cohort and the integrated biobank, and also the personalized healthcare. And the answer for this is the Tohoku Medical Megabank project. So the Tohoku Medical Megabank organization, we've established this organization 1 year after the tsunami, 2012, February. And the nickname is Tomo. Tomo, you know, Tomodachi. We are the friend of those people. And we wish to deliver the most advanced medicine to the people who suffered from the tsunami and earthquake. But then we need to ask, what is the most advanced medicine? And our discussion and answer is this: personalized healthcare and personalized medicine. And to realize the personalized medicine, Ph.D. or preemptive medicine, we need our body. And the blueprint of our body is genome, DNA. So we need the genome study. So to realize the personalized healthcare, Ph.D. and personalized medicine, we need the strong basic science and also genome cohort study and complex biobank construction. And using this technology, this basics will construct a long-life country. This is the Japan's national goal. And for me, one important thing is to accomplish the creative regeneration through the constructing the Tohoku Medical Megabank and recruiting the advanced industry for the creative reconstruction. Now, I told you the genome cohort study, and genome cohort study is an important for our fight against the common disease. So the difficult disease we're gonna fight is the disease which originated through the interplay between the genetic and environmental events. And the genome cohort study, genome cohort study is an important means to fight against these diseases. So we started the genome cohort study. In this case, cohort means the people's cluster, and we can recruit the people, in this case, healthy people, and follow up long time. Statistically, some of them will develop disease. Then we can study the cause and the result through the follow-up. And the genome study integrated into there. That type of the study we usually call genome cohort study. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you what type of cohort studies are operating in our TOMO organization. So we are running two types of cohort. One is a community cohort. And for this purpose, we're gonna recruit 80,000 people from the Tsunami suffered area. And the second one is the birth and tree generation cohort. I'm going to tell you why we established these two types of the cohort. Anyway, the birth and tree generation cohort, we first recruit the pregnant mom, then the babies for sure will follow. And here's only half of the husband here. This doesn't mean the Japanese husbands are cruel. The husbands are usually busy, and also the grandma and grandpa. So the 1 to 3 generation cohort start from the birth. And we are planning to recruit 70,000 of these. And last month, 2 months ago, we've accomplished 130,000. We are planning to recruit a total of 150,000. And 1 more years to go, so we are sure almost we can do that. And if I speak about this birth and tree generation cohort, your NIH was running the National Children's Cohort, a similar type of the cohort, but some of you probably know this is very difficult, very difficult. So we've finished more than 50,000, more than 18,000 pregnant moms already. That's a great accomplishment. So the reason why we've designed two cohort is the reason is we need to overcome missing heritability. Missing heritability means this concept. Usually we can see several diseases, many diseases, which the inheritance is apparent, obvious. But for those diseases, the inheritance is obvious. Still, we can't know which gene is responsible. We call that phenomenon missing heritability. And to overcome the missing heritability, we can approach we have two approaches. One is increase the number of the cohort. So in the UK, England, UK Biobank, 500,000 people to recruit. The second way is the one using in the Iceland, the Cohort study. That's it uses the family relationship, family pedigree. So we decided to adopt the family approach, the latter approach. So we first made the residential cohort and analyzed the full genome and make the reference panel. Then make the Japonic array, uses this information, the 3 generation cohort for familial imputation, And finally, make the association of the gene and the disease. Okay? So let me tell you a little bit of the biobank. Biobank is a system that collects, storage, distribute human samples and related information for advancement of medicine and sciences. And we've already collected, we usually collect 15 samples from one participant. And we've already finished 2 million sample storage from the 130,000 people. And we usually collect 34 milliliter of blood from one participant. Still, that's a certain amount of the blood. But still, we are afraid sometime, if we start the distribution, the blood samples or other samples will deplete. So to avoid the depletion of the samples, we've invented a system called the integrated biobank. So the integrated biobank usually, not usually, this is the first attempt. So integrated biobank have an analytical center, and we do the standard analysis of the samples by ourselves. And to avoid rapid depletion of samples, Tomo distribute analysis information first. And if they really need, if people really need, we're gonna distribute these samples. So we collected blood and urine, genomic DNA, and analyzed the metabolome proteome, genomics, epigenome, transcriptome, and also we are operating the MRI examination for the participants. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit of the genome analysis. So from the residential cohort participant, we selected 1070 first and determined the whole genome sequencing. Our whole genome sequencing is operated in a single laboratory, single protocol, single facility with high coverage, more than 32x, and this is the first in the world. And we've cataloged more than 21 million SNPs. And we checked these 21 million, we compared these SNPs, SNP, single nucleotide variations to the database data. Database data are almost all from the Caucasians, your data. So when we compared, we found 12 million is a new single nucleotide variations. This means either Japanese are new species, or the different interpretation is ethnic difference is this much big. So we need the genome reference data for each ethnics. That's the conclusion. And we've opened this 21 million SNPs to the public, open to everybody in the world. So by using the Tomo's whole genome variation database, we can do various things. So the most important one is this one will facilitate the clinical sequencing. So the very difficult disease patient for genome sequencing, if the mutations or the variations can find in our database, then it's not the cause of the disease. So this is a very important reference. The second thing is we can develop the segmented drug development. And the third thing is we're going to challenge the personalized healthcare by making the ethnic array. So what is the ethnic array? The ethnic array, DNA array, highly adapted for Japanese. So we made this one based on the high quality Japanese whole genome sequencing database. And this is minimize the probe number, but enable the genotype, the whole genome genotyping through the genotype imputation, and quite inexpensive. And we marketed this one through, we've licensed this one through Toshiba, and this one is now in the use in Japan. So the Japonica array, usually the whole genome sequence, it's getting cheaper, but still it costs $2,000, $3,000. That's expensive. While Japonically, it's only $100 or $200. And we can't see this part because this is a cheap one, so can't cover everything. But using the reference panel and the idea of the linkage disequilibrium, we can impute these unknown SNVs like this way. So Japonically designed to maximize the capacity of genotype imputation, and by providing low-cost whole genome sequencing information by the genotype imputation, and this will realize mega-size survey of the genome responsible for common diseases for Japanese. So, okay, I will stop. All right. So we made the integrated database. Integrated database contains all the genome information and also the clinical data or health information and also knowledge base. So this is the central core of our biobank, Medical Megabank. So last 1 minute. The Megabank manager like me, director like me, is always melancholic, under the depression. The reason is the budget for the secured management is always difficult. We are receiving various monies, but it's uncertain, and other reasons. So the international collaboration is very important. That's the reason why I'm coming here. So we've been collaborating with the UK Biobank, Lifelines Cohort in Netherlands, Dutch Karolinska Institute, or Taiwan Biobank. So the big biobank need the international collaboration. Okay, let me finish. So when I've proposed this one and started, only several people agreed with me and working together. But now we have 400 members and working together. Thank you very much.